Hey guys, today we're going to get straight into automation software. We're going to show you what the software that I use is and how you guys can install this. So I'm just going to quickly sign out of this so I can show you how to do it. Alright, so first off what are we going to do first? We're going to go and download Follow Liker. Alright, so Follow Liker is the automation software that we use to generate all those leads and sales. We pop in all of our accounts into this software. We use very specific settings and we set it up a very specific way. So yeah, keep watching the training guys and we'll show you how to implement all of that literally word for word or number for number as it would be in Follow Liker. Alright, so let's go to Follow Liker, followliker.com, and what you guys want to get now is a product called the Instagram Edition, and we're just going to go down the bottom here, and as you can see there's three different types. There's an Instagram 1 account license. That means you can only put one Instagram account on the program. This one you can do 5 accounts online only. And this one is unlimited. It's just an absolute no-brainer that you go for the unlimited one. You may think that you will only want a couple of accounts on your Follow Liker, but I guarantee once you find out how easy this is, you're going to have a lot more than 5, a lot more than 1 or 2. Now I've got above 20 accounts now comfortably. And my numbers are continually going up just because everything is on automation for me. So jump onto Instagram Unlimited License. You can order that. I don't use it that much, but you can click on all the editions, which is Tumblr, Twitter. So I'll go back and show you the whole thing actually. Got pricing here. Alright, so you've got full edition. So you've got Twitter, Pinterest, Instagram, and Tumblr. Full edition for $337.99. I've got that one, but if you're just looking to use Instagram, which is what my training is, I don't train on anything else because I'm not an expert in it. So yeah, just go ahead and get the Instagram one, and what it's going to do, it's going to send you an email just like this. Alright, so it's going to thank you for ordering the Follow Liker edition. In order to understand how software works, you need to read the user guide thoroughly. That is a great guide. Sometimes there's things I don't cover that I haven't come across with that Follow Liker will explain. But yeah, I give you everything anyway, so you guys are good to go. Your username is here, and your password is the next one down, and you can download it from this email too. I won't scroll down because my password's there. But yeah, you will get this email from Follow Liker. But I do not want you to do anything yet because we need to install some other software before we even look at Follow Liker. So do not download Follow Liker onto your computer. I must stress this, do not download Follow Liker until we have gone on to the next step. I actually wanted to do the next step first, but it was just going to confuse the hell out of you. So at least we've got this in our email and I can talk to you about what the next software is. Alright, so with Follow Liker, you can run this on your computer, and there's a problem with it where you have to always be logged into Follow Liker and running your computer 24/7 for it to be optimized and work all day for you. And our computers just cannot handle Follow Liker for weeks and months on end working 24/7. It just will not work. Experience, I have never used it. My mentor taught me to use a virtual computer, and that's what I'm going to be teaching you guys today. So a virtual computer, you know how you got like your cloud, like you got like Dropbox and your Apple Cloud and the like. Basically, this is a computer in the cloud. So you can so this computer that you have, it's a virtual computer that you can run Follow Like in, and you can run, and this will run 24 hours, 7 days a week, and you don't have to you don't have to have your computer on or anything like that. It'll run in the cloud 24 hours, 7 days a week. So let's go straight to that and show you guys how to download this virtual computer. Alright, so I want you to go to this website, aws.amazon.com. Jump into sign into the console or create free account. Click this one up here. Might say something different for you, but click that link and then it will come through to the next screen where you guys can just sign up. So I want you to do I'm a new user, put your email in. I'm a returning customer, so I can just log in. Alright, so you're going to have plenty of web services here. We don't use any of it. Well, I don't use any of them. You guys might figure out a way to use some of them. I just have not even looked at any of the others. So all I use is something called Amazon Workspaces, which is down here. We're going to click on that, and as you can see, it says desktops in the cloud, which is exactly what we want. Alright, in here it's going to look quite confusing, and I'm going to walk you through this. So I want you to click on, I think it's Launch Workspaces. Yep, sure is. Alright, so you're only going to have one directory here. I'm just going to, yep, cool. I'm just going to click on, this is my normal one that I've been using. You will only have one, so don't stress about that. Go next. Okay, I want you to type in a username. For me, I put like an easy username, Justin Holland. First name, Justin Holland. Email, I'm just going to put 123 because I've already got, I'm going to put a new email as well. Actually, I think I can do the same email as I normally do. So at justinsmovement.com. Okay, I have to put 123 just because I've already got Justin Holland 1. So create users. Yep, that worked well. Alright, I want you to go next. And this is where we have to select what bundle we use. So you have to think about, when you usually buy a computer, you've got computers where has more memory, has more storage than the one that's cheaper. So you need to make up a decision if you want to go for the cheaper model or the more expensive model. So I started off with the value pack, which is which you get Windows 7, you get 2 gigabytes of memory and 10 gigabytes of storage. This was great for a couple of months until the virtual desktop started to slow down. So for those who are quite serious about this, and I imagine anyone that's bought my training will be serious about this, this is $25 a month. I would actually recommend going to the standard for $35 a month. Look, don't get me wrong, the value will work, but it may slow down, and that's the last thing that you want. You do not want your accounts lagging because you just have a slow desktop. For $10 more, you can get the standard. I now have the performance, but yeah, don't start on performance. You guys don't need it. I run lots of accounts, so you guys are okay with value or standard. But my personal recommendation would be standard. Look, it's $10 extra a month. So I'd like you to take that one. And then go next. I'm not going to go next because I've already got mine set up. And what it's going to do, it's going to, let's go back here. It's going to bring you into a place like this. So as you can see, I've got a standard bundle and also a performance bundle. My standard bundle, I've just switched from that to the performance, so I will be cancelling that very soon. So performance bundle is the one that I pay. I think it's $50 a month or $60 a month. The standard is $35 a month. So yeah, this has come up, and at the moment, you are good to go. It will say pending. That'll be pending for about 20 minutes. Once it stops pending, you will get an email. And I'm going to show you that exact email now. Alright, so now it's telling me that it's created my Amazon workspace for me. Follow these steps so we can quickly get started with your workspace. You're going to click on the user profile and download workspaces. Please click on this link. Do not click on this one down here. Click on this link and it will get you to pop in a password that you can use, and it will give you the option. It'll give you the option to download like I had it up before, like this. You can download them on Windows, iPad, Mac, Android, and Fire. So download on your whatever computer you have. Okay, I want to give you. Okay, cool. So let's move on to. So you would have downloaded this by now, and you would actually have a link. All right. So it's downloaded. You can launch it now and install it into your computer. And we're going to open up Workspaces. This is what it looks like, guys. As you can see, it's a computer inside a computer. It literally is amazing. It's amazing what we can do in this world. So what I want you guys to do now is jump in here. So remember, this is a Windows this is a Windows computer. Even though I'm in a Mac, this is Windows. So you guys would have downloaded the Windows version of Follow Like Us. So just remember that you would have downloaded the Windows version of Follow Like Us. And what you're going to do now is I'm going to go back here. Alright, I'm just going to move my screen over for a second so you guys aren't seeing my password. I'm just going to grab, so I want you guys to go to your email and download the Windows version. So the Windows version is followliker.com/downloads.php. Let's bring up this and pop it into here. And just press save file as, and again you just install it, and it'll ask you for your username and password, which was in the email that we were just on, and then you're good to go. So I'm just going to cancel this, and you've literally got Follow Liker just here. And if I double click on Follow Liker, it's going to come up, and it's probably just going to do some backups first, and boom, here it is, guys. So that's it's a very short video, only 15 minutes today, but you've got your things set up, and next it's time to go on to the next part of it, which is importing your accounts into Follow Liker. And we'll go through all the steps in Follow Liker so that you're optimizing your accounts. Sweet, guys. Have a great day, and I'll see you guys in the next video.